If you want to add Pedometer to the home screen and have a step counter on Google Pixel 11, what you can do is you can use the Health app widget that, of course, displays the step counter. So we can press and hold our finger on the Health app. It can be in the app drawer as well. And then you should be able to find this widget option. And then in here we have this quick access widget. So I'm going to press and hold my finger on that widget, and then we can just drop it anywhere we want it to be. So let's say I'm going to drop it here. Now we will have to sign into our account to be able to use the pedometer. So tap on the sign in button, and then you can sign in with your Google account or your Fitbit account, because Google Health is pretty much Fitbit. It has been rebranded. So we're going to continue. You can continue with your Google account. I think that is just the easiest way and the most convenient way to set up an account. In case something went wrong, then of course you can go back and you can try again. Of course, you can make sure that you grant the permission to all of those different things that may appear on in the app. Of course, inside the app, we can find the step counter as well. You can even tap on it to find more details. And if you tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, you can go to activity settings, where we can choose our goal, our daily goal. And now if we go back to the widget, we should be able to have the widget working. Now in my case, you didn't want to refresh, but if you press and hold your finger on it to reveal this remove button, it should be updated. Now you should also be able to adjust the size of the widget. So hopefully you can make it slightly smaller, but there we go. This is how it looks like. We can see the step counter in here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.